Hey, what's up everybody? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to connect your Stan.store with Stripe. Make sure to follow all the steps I'm going to show you guys in this video. Let's just get into it. Now to connect Stripe, you guys must need to have a product published in your Stan.store. And these are 4 major steps we're going to follow in this video. So let's just jump in. Go to settings and here go to payments and click on connect. Here just choose your country. Now this window will appear here. Further, just enter your phone number and email address you use to create your Stan.store. They will then send a text message to the phone number you entered before to verify your account. Then they will ask you to enter in all of your personal details, your name, email address, and also last 4 digits of your social security number. And further, just enter your industry here and click continue. And then just put in your bank account information of where you would like to receive your payouts. And in the end, just review your information once and hit submit button. Now you guys need to understand that Stripe starts verifying your account after your first sale, and it might take 3 to 7 business days to verify your account. That's it for today's video. I hope the video was useful for you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. See you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.